What's up, VoroMotors? Today we're going to be talking about entry-level scooters under $900. Yes, I said $900. And in this video, it'll be the Emu Touring and the InMotion Climber. We're going to be talking about their specs, portability, some features that they have, similarities and differences. And by the end of the video, I'll tell you one of my favorites. First, we're going to talk about similarities. Of course, both of these scooters are very lightweight, very portable, and very practical for, maybe students or any small commute riders that just need that last mile oomph. Both scooters do fold. They have 10-inch wheels and they have, your normal displays. It's just very practical and many usage of a very entry-level riders. Again, price point, it's still under $900. The way I think about it, it's more bang for your money. First, we're going to talk about the Emu Touring. Right off the bat, it has a single drive 500 watt motor. It goes up to 25 miles an hour and just right under 40 pounds. The Emu Touring does come in many different colors, which I like: purple, white, orange, black. You have your ignition key and your display. I like the ignition key because of the voltage. I like to refer my battery in terms of voltage rather than percentage. And then your basic display. It has a lot of range, about 40 miles of range on a single charge. And again, very light. I could chuck this in the car, bring it in a bus without any hassle. It's still portable, it's still small, and it won't affect anybody around me. The Touring also has one of the tallest handlebars, and it also folds. So very, very portable and very, very lightweight. You can adjust your handlebar height, remove that pin, but yeah, it goes up and down, and then easily just pull down like that. And then see you guys. As you can see, very easy to fold. Less than 3 seconds, I'm already carrying the scooter up, and then another 3 seconds to put it back up. That's the Emu Touring for you. And then next one, obviously, is the right here, InMotion Climber. Again, similar things to the Emu Touring, small, portable. The only difference is that this is actually dual drive and it's a 36 volt system. Even though it's a 36 volt system, it still can reach up to 23 miles an hour. It's a bit heavier because of another motor. It's about 5 more pounds, I think, 5 to 6 more pounds over the Emu Touring. So just over 40-pound weight. The max load capacity is actually lower than the Emu Touring. From what I remember, the Emu Touring is like over 300 pounds. The InMotion Climber is under 300 pounds. But there's also some good features about this. InMotion Climber does come with a Bluetooth app, which is very nice. You could lock it in the app. You can change your settings there. Everything is simplified. And if you don't need the app, obviously the screen, very basic, one button, handles everything. One of the downsides that I didn't like about the InMotion Climber is it only comes in one color, black and orange. If you like those colors, this is a scooter for you. I like to be able to choose some colors, but this scooter is still great. The biggest bang is it's actually $700 for this scooter compared to the Emu Touring, which is $900. Also, not to mention, again, I told you it's dual motor. It's a 750 watt peak on the dual motors, and it has a 14 amp hour battery. Still plenty of range, that last mile commute. Again, it's still light. Even though it's heavier than Emu Touring, I can still throw it in my trunk, still bring it in a school bus without any hassle and no disturbance around the people around me. Folding, easy, less than 3 seconds, has a latch right here, and then I can go down. Easy. Just to put that back. Easy peasy. Now, for my favorite scooter, both these scooters are great. The InMotion Climber is going to win it for me. First, it's cheaper. 36 volt system. It still can go over 20 miles an hour. I don't need that much range for the usage of the scooter. It's just probably me getting Starbucks or just going down the block, getting some groceries or something like that. This is a scooter for you for that last mile commute. 750 watt motors, and it could climb 35-degree incline. So what more can you ask for? InMotion Climber it is. So the InMotion Climber is my favorite. Let me know down in the comments what you like and what you want to get. Till next time.